Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are very well. And right now, I am recording this video. Okay, so you know well that this is my fourth video and in this platform. Okay, you know well that this is my YouTube channel and new YouTube channel. There were only 25 subscribers. So even so, I try to make English videos. Okay, so today I want to say something about my favorite team. My favorite team is Germany, and you know German players are very good. Okay, and why do I love them? You have questions, so I will give you some answer about my favorite team. Okay, so first of all, I will take five steps about my favorite team. Okay. First of all, there are five members of Muslim, and really, I'm very happy because there are five Muslim players. So this is first step. And my second step, they play very good and very, very good. And when I see them, then I feel very happy and I feel proud of it. And my thirdly, uh, you you can know that Musiala. So this is player name, and Musiala player. He is very, very understanding and loving person, and his playing football is very understanding and very nice. And Musiala, I love him so much. Okay, and fourthly, fourthly there has understanding relationship, there were understanding playing skills, and when I see attentively, then I feel very healthy. And five steps, I will speak German. This name is very famous and very I love them, and very, very I love them. And uh, I will speak about my German team. And you know well that this is a FIFA season, and I will try to buy a new jersey of German team. And their jersey quality is very good. And when I go market, then I try to buy a jersey. So i- i- you know well that there are uh, three colors. First of all, black. Second, yellow, and maybe red. Okay, so there are five members of Muslim. And so thank you for watching my videos and take care of your health. You know, I'm beginner, so I have many mistakes, so please you forgive me. Okay, so please you subscribe this my new YouTube channel. Okay, Allah Hafiz.